guys, welcome to season 4 of Life Begins at 40. I wanted to bring some radical people on this season, and therefore we start the season with Archana Sardana. Archana Sardana is India's first and only woman base jumper. She's an accomplished skydiver, mountaineer, and scuba diver instructor. She has done 335 skydives, multiple base jumps across the globe, and is also the first woman master scuba diver trainer in India. She did India proud by unfurling the tricolour at a depth of 30 meters in the ocean off the Andaman's Neil Island and set a new record in the process. Archana is an adrenaline junkie who dreams of doing the Everest skydive someday and championing the cause of equal opportunities for women. Her two boys, Pranav and Ayush, are not overshadowed by their mother and have their own national records and are keen scuba divers, ice hockey players and unicyclists. I'm very pleased to start season 4 with Archana Sardana. Archana, welcome to Life Begins at 40. So Archana, my deepest gratitude again for coming on Life Begins at 40.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for calling me. Yeah.
तो आपने इतनी radical चीजें की हैं, from the mountains to deep sea diving, right? So would you like to tell our friends why base jumping and then why scuba diving?
Well, I'll tell you. I started when I got married. I was not aware of adventure. कि होता क्या है? Once when I was a child, I went for trekking. मैं trekking के लिए गई and I never liked it. It was so boring. चलते रहो, कुछ नहीं करना, and thereafter I never went. Mountaineering. When I started my career into adventure, mountaineering never seemed boring. It was fun. You're doing your course. You're giving your 100%. It was fun. But वही बचपन में किया था, it was boring. So I started and I learned a lot of new things and I basically knew what kind of person I am. I mean, I was a confused person. I was never a kind of, who used to take decisions, ले लिया या कुछ कर दिया. I was always dependent. And being the youngest child, वो होता है ना कि बड़े ले रहे हैं and let me be, in my own space. It was more like that. And then I saw things changing in me and I started liking it. So skydiving शुरू हो गया. Before skydiving, I had this episode. I was bedridden for 4 months. I had back problem. I have compression at the back. Till date, it's there. So I was bedridden हो गई. डॉक्टर ने बोला कुछ नहीं कर सकते. You can't even drive a car. How are you going to go and do your skydive? But then एक determination होता है ना, no, I have to do it. So then I hired a trainer, back strength and within like 4 months I was bedridden. After that 2 months I took training. 6 months I went for skydiving to US. अब जब बाहर जा रहे हो, there is no option of coming back before doing it. You have to finish it off. That's in your mind basically. So I did my 51 jumps, came back, and then I started liking that. The challenges, unko overcome karna hai. Everything I started liking. But I know one more thing I discovered. I get bored. I get bored very easily. So एक चीज करते, how long are you going to do it? So what was there after skydive? It was only base jump. It was more challenging. It is like only when I did my base jump, it was like we had only 2 base jumpers in India. That too from the defense, no civilian base jump. किसी को पता भी नहीं था base jump होता क्या है. So it was challenging. It was like, wow, let's do something. So then I started with base jump. That was one of the things. More challenging than skydiving, more entertaining. It's like 5 seconds and you are on this side or that side of life. So that is how I got into base jump. Then base jump कर लिया, उसके बाद तक चलो, now what next? Now my kids that time they were like 8 and 10. So that is the time when scuba diving is introduced to kids.
Hmm.
So we just went to this place. In fact, let me tell you, I and my kids learned swimming at the same time. We had the same coach. इसने दोनों को swimming सिखाई थी.
हाँ जी.
So thereafter we went to Andaman. वहाँ पे diving किया, and it all started, and it was so enjoyable. First dive and I got hooked on. So from first dive to become an instructor to do MSDT and stuff, yeah, it was a very good journey.
Would you like to tell us a few of the base jumps that you have done? कहाँ से किया आपने?
I have done one was okay in India. I've just done 2 base jumps. That is Udhampur के पास there was they were constructing railway bridge close to Udhampur. That was around 87 meters.
Wow.
So I did 2 jumps from there, and then we did in Malaysia, KL Tower. के वहाँ पे they have this festival every year. So 4 consecutive years I went there. I did from there, and then there's one more place in Alosar, in again Malaysia. Then I did in US, Salt Lake.
Okay.
So amazing. Yeah, I mean this keeps me going to places, you know. अगर कुछ करना है तो keep going to different places and do it. It's fun.
Do you have any fears? डर है कोई?
Frankly, nahi. Because there's a reason. Everybody's got scared of what things. मरने से डर लगता है, चोट से डर लगता है कि गिर गए तो कुछ होगा. So I've gone through all those stages, you know, where I have मैंने अपनी टांग तोड़ी है. I couldn't jump because I was injured. I had accident. My face was, you know, I had surgery of my face. So a lot of things have already happened. So डर किस बात? No, nothing. Here or there, you'll be either, you know, here or there. You'll not go anywhere else.
And have you actually during one of any of your base jumps have you been injured?
So I went to Malaysia, and there was this again 4-day event hota hai na, where you all the base jumpers from different all over the world, they come there and they jump. So from India it's only me most of the time. So first jump, and the weather, there was little winds. तो बेस जंप में तो ये है ना कि विंड को पूछो आपने अगर करना है, until and unless the winds are very high, you can jump. Depends. So, and then I had hired my parachute also. The only thing was the parachute, मेरा जो size था तो वो मेरे से बड़ा, I mean it was bigger in size for me. But then I thought कि ठीक है कर लेते हैं. So this was the first jump, and I jumped, and all of a sudden winds picked up. And there were a lot of trees around. तो मेरा जो पैराशूट था वो ट्री के ऊपर ना थोड़ा सा अड़ गया. And when you are flying, the parachute speed is very fast. It's very fast. So वो अड़ गया, but I have been lucky because I came very fast. नीचे बहुत जल्दी आई, and it was I could reach the ground. But जब मैं इतनी तेज आई, and it was one part was on the tree, that I had to stop myself with the help of my legs.
Wow.
अब वो इतना fast था कि मेरी legs के, I think there was tear, this ligament tear or something. Initially तो पता नहीं चला. I was like, okay, ये करो वो करो, and everybody was like around me. Later on, I realized that I couldn't even walk. So I went back, and I was in my hotel. I remember it was so painful. I closed my door and I was crying. Then I have a friend who's a base jumper. He called me. Then he had some contacts there in Malaysia. He had a doctor friend. Then I went to them. I stayed with them. And the best part was last day, though I was injured, I thought कि मैं एक पैर लेके घर नहीं जाऊंगी. So I went there. I made the last jump. And I came back. So I made the first jump and the last jump. First jump I got injured. Last jump I just overcome my fear and I came back.
Beautiful. आप अपने आप को fit कैसे रखते हो to do all this?
पहले तो it was more of I was diving. Yeah, diving was the basic thing, traveling, diving. Sometimes you go for walk, sometimes you go to gym. I told you I get bored with all these. मतलब थोड़ी देर करके ना मैं बोर हो जाती हूँ. Then I want to switch on to something new. So after that, now during this lockdown, I got into meditation. That helped me to be physically also and mentally fit. So I'm all charged up. पूरा charge हो गया है. I wanted to get into meditation. I think I got the time, this lockdown gave me that time.
Wonderful. So what is the difference in feeling that you experience when आप base jump कर रहे हैं या dive कर रहे हैं scene में? कि एक ही feeling है?
No. जब आप base jump कर रहे हो तो then it's more of adrenal rush, You have that. You have some jittery feeling. You have to be careful. It's a different feeling altogether. But then when you are diving, then it's peaceful. It's calm. It's a different thing. I mean, very, very peaceful, as if you're meditating only, because you cannot talk. It's just your mind, which is relaxed.
So, name one base jumper and one diver that you admire greatly, and why?
Base jumper, I would admire Kamal Oberoi, who is from the Air Force, who's my mentor in base jumping.
Hanji.
He's an amazing person, very helpful. Very helpful. And in skydiving, I know I've done most of my skydive in US. So there was this guy, Dennis. Amazing people, amazing. They have gone through so much in life, so many accidents and stuff, but the passion they have towards this sport, it's amazing. The josh they have.
So that's what makes you. That's what makes them your most favorite person. क्योंकि उनमें जोश है, despite difficulties,
difficulties and their priorities of life are very different. Difference in the sense कि they'll be working the whole day, 100%. जो पैसे वो कमाएंगे ना रात को, they'll do and they'll just make one jump. There is like, what, everybody has their own space. There's a time for kids, there's a time for work, there's time for your own self.
Yeah.
They give importance to themselves as at the same time, That is what I have learned. I am number one, पीछे सब लोग आते. You have to be your own.
मुझे बताइए कि when you talk about being your own priority, how does your family react to this? I know कि आपके बच्चे काफी adventurous हैं, husband's adventurous, but your parents and your siblings, how do they take to your?
Okay, initially I'll tell you. When my kids needed me, I was there for them. Now they are grown up. They're big boys. So I have, unka bhi hai, I have taught them to have their own space. It's just that they can discuss, and then they can do whatever they want. So I am there, me and Rajiv are there, but then at the same time, they have their own life also. So they are 18 and 20, and they have been in boarding. My parents, when I have to give them, see, the thing is, you should know your priorities at different times. It's not that कि आप अपने आप को priority हमेशा ही बना के रखो. When your parents need you, then you have to be for them. When your kids need you, you have to be for them.
तो इंडिया में एक बहुत strong environment नहीं है for doing the activities that you're doing, and I believe these activities are rather expensive. Yeah.
They are.
So, is it also the same for you कि कमाया और खर्च किया कि is it
exactly कमाया और खर्च किया. In fact, taken loans also कि ठीक है कुछ कर लो. You have to break the barrier also of Indian women also, ना. Mind change होना चाहिए कि I meet a lot of people who can afford it. So when I am training them or they are with me, everybody wants to do it. But वो जब time आता है ना करने का, they don't take that step कि कर ले. करना सबने है when it's about talks. But जो reality में step लेके करना होता है, they don't want to do it. Then they don't mind, going and spending money in, lavish living or restaurants or stuff. But then if they have to spend for adventure activities, they think a lot about it. Because one thing I've noticed in Indians is, हमें क्या मिलेगा करके, हमारा क्या फायदा होगा. So this is a very common question.
So आप अपना, how do you plan, how do you prioritize and organize your work?
Well, I train with the best, organizations where safety is the priority. It's the supreme priority, and then they organize the events. Or else, when I'm taking the kids for scuba dive, I take groups outside India. So then I have contacts, and then I see the safety thing. All these things are. And when my kids are around, then I prefer taking them along.
So your husband's from the armed forces.
Yeah, he was in the Navy. He was a submariner.
Okay, मैं यही पूछ रही थी अब वो क्या करते हैं.
Now he has the security agency, and at the same time he's helping with me with my work.
What is an activity that all of you love to do together as a family?
So we go for rafting. I love doing that with my family, and we have fun. And whenever we as a family we go out, it has to be something adventurous.
How many days in a year are you out doing your jumps and your dives?
Oh, there was time, एक साल छोड़ के I was like out of 365 days, you can say 300 days I was traveling.
Wow. Okay. That's intense.
But I love traveling, that keeps me going.
Beautiful. Your favorite food?
Oh, I'm a Punjabi girl. Rajma rice.
Aapka favorite song?
Songs, I like that George Michael ki. George Michael songs, he was my favorite. But वो time के साथ change होता जाता है, situation के साथ ना हर साल song भी change होता जाता है. That liking.
So, what are you doing when you're not jumping off cliffs or diving in the sea?
I spend time with myself. I watch TV. I read. I go out with my friends.
One guilty pleasure.
I like chocolates. And when एक chocolate पूरा होगा, and until and unless I don't finish it off, I keep eating.
So, what is that one question you're asked the most?
Why are you doing all this? Every person has this question. आप क्यों कर रहे हो? In fact, somebody asked me, are you committing suicide also? There was the person. I said, what do you mean by committing suicide? By doing base jumping? So there are people, but question common is like, why do you do it? What makes you do it?
Interesting. And what are the few tips that you would like to give separately to those who want to go into base jumping and those who want to go scuba diving?
Well, if you have to go for base jumping, you have to be a skydiver. First, you have to do 200 skydives. Yeah. Then you get into base jumping.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
And for skydiving, it is like, first of all, determination. You have to be aware of what you are getting into. You have to have risk-taking abilities, Risk-taking, because if something goes wrong, you have to take charge and you have to know the, outcome of that thing. Then your equipment has to be in place. Then you have to have money for that. Finances is one of the, things you need it. All this. And for scuba diving, it is it's fun actually. It is just, don't assume things. Just go and experience. When we start assuming, then our mind goes wild. It never thinks of something good. It goes on always negative and kya hoga and dar. More of fear, two sides. So don't assume, just go experience. It's a wonderful.
How many people in your life have you been able to inspire to do these things?
I generally deal with the school kids, and I've done like how many? Thousand, more than 1,000 school kids.
Wow.
I've got into it. Yeah. Because we do foundation courses, we go in all this. I mean, whoever calls us, we go and we give foundation courses. At least they have this, experience of scuba. And once you experience, then you can make a choice whether you want to pursue or you just want to stop there.
What do you wish India could do differently to create a more enabling environment for what you do?
I think it's not India, but it's an individual. It's a parent who can help it. See, what happens is, as a parent, we have certain fears. A small child doesn't know कि fear होता क्या है. So we put our fears in their lives, उन अपना डर उनमें डाल देते हैं. If this is like, अगर बच्चा एक आग को भी, if they touch fire, they don't know कि हाथ जलेगा. So we put it like, don't touch it, जल जाएगा. So it's like the parents. I always tell the parents कि अपना डर अपने बच्चों में नहीं डालना. Let them experience. Let them have their own mind. Whether they like it, whether they are scared, whether just leave it onto them. And India, they should encourage. Yeah. And Indians, if you talk about, they should encourage in schools these kind of activities.
So, last question. Where do you see yourself 5 years from today?
I would want to do a lot of things. I want to get into wingsuit, flying. I have a lot of things in my mind, to do. And I will be doing it, for sure.
Everest का क्या plans है आपके?
Everest का है अभी. For that, see, मैं गई वहाँ पे. I went for Everest skydive. But the problem is, I didn't have that kind of cash. I had some, but I didn't have the full cash. So I couldn't do it. So I had to come back from where the jump was happening.
Okay, and where is...
So finance. It is very close to this base camp, Everest base camp के थोड़ी नीचे है. So where they have this all, the choppers and everything. So yeah, I had to come back, my bad luck, but then ठीक है, कभी ना कभी हो ही जाएगा.
Absolutely.
I'm sure there are a lot of things I have, I want to go in space. I want to do a lot of things, that way.
Actually, give me 3 things that you want to do, 3 specific things in the next 5 years.
Okay, I had this, somebody had approached me for stratosphere jump also. I wanted to do, I was like, okay, yeah, I would love to do it.
कहाँ से?
So that stratosphere, remember there was one jump. Have you seen it? Yeah, so they had approached me for that. I met the doctors also. But then I don't know what happened. It just got, maybe there's no answer from them abhi, because they had to arrange the finances again. Finance is a big issue, I told you, no? So that was there. And then there is one thing, the last year I was supposed to go to the US. There was one UN, this was like Fear Factor kind of thing from the US. Some adventure thing. So I was supposed to go there, but then COVID came and everything got haywire. So I want to go for that. And then और क्या करना है मैंने, wingsuit करना है, base jump करना है. I want to go to Norway and do my base jumps from there. So endless list I had. So endless list I had. So let's see, till the time I am there, I would love to do everything. I want to continue doing whatever I am.
How wonderful.
Because age is a number, no?
Absolutely.
That's what I think.
That. So thank you.
Yeah, same here.
I hope you're able to realize all your dreams and all the crazy things that you want to continue doing in life.
Thank Thank you so much.
Thank you, Archana. Keep redefining
Thank you.
happiness.